Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Neon Danny. So in this video I am going to show you how to download off the road unlimited money move. As you can see in the my money, it is so many money, and also every car is unlocked, every single car, rally, forex, for trucks, everything is unlocked. So I can play anything. This is actually real, this is not fake. And as you can see, I have so many cars. Wait, I'm going to show you. I can still drive it. So legendary truck, so I can also drive it. As you can see, it is awesome game. Okay, now another car, that's another car, rally. This is the legendary car. See, it is actually paid. I did not buy it. I installed it in APK format, and unlimited money and all car unlocked. As you can see the gameplay, I have that star sidecar. As you can see the gameplay, and all map also unlocked. All maps. As you can see, islands, the shore, snowfields, red canyon, volcano, everything is unlocked. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's get to the video. Okay, now you need to open the Google. Okay, then you need to click it, and okay, now I have come into this. I can give the link in the description. As you can see, Moonride OTR, open world driving ODD. Just click it and it will come like just click at here. Yes, then you need to click at the photo, OTR photo, then go to visit. It will not harm your device. This is a safe website. Just click visit. Then as you can see, it is everything is coming right here, the details. Okay, now what you have to do is go it and download it. Click it, and as you can see, it will come like this. Then you need to go roll down, and you need to go. There are two mobs. As you can see, APK installer, there are two versions of it. So if you this is the latest version, I think so. So just go with it, just click it, APK installer. Okay, then just install it. Then what you have to do is, it is an installer, it is not come like it will take some moment. Then just download it. That is the work. Then you have to download it. It will download. After that open your files. Then go at here, downloads. It's here, I think so. If you want to need to download how it is downloading, then how much percentage, because the files do not show you how to download that. Then you need to go to the Chrome. Some people know, but some people don't know how do we see it is downloading or how many percentage. Then go right at this 3 point. Wait, when you slide it, it will come. Wait, Okay, right here, that red one. Then it will come like this. Just click it on under the screen, and there you can go to the downloads. Go to the downloads, and as you can see, it is right here. It is completed 89%. After that, it will continue downloading. Okay guys, after the downloading, our file has been downloaded. As you can see, it has downloaded. Then you need to go, just click at this. I'm using Chrome. You can go to files, that's your choice. Click it, then exit and go to files or file management. Go to Google Files, then click it, and boom, it has been downloaded. Very simple move. Then it is actually not the game, it is just an installer. It will appear like black and white. It is not real game, it's an installer. Then go to it and install it. Okay, then it will just install it. Install. It is actually installer, not the original game. So it has been is going to install. Yes guys, it has been downloaded. Now you can click open, and it will come like this. As you can see, it will come like this. Okay, now you need to go, you just click install. Okay, then it will ask like this, allow installer. Just click it allow, yes, and go to install unknown apps. Just click it on here, on it, simple. Then go back, then install it. Okay, now that it has been installed, you can I have already downloaded, so it will actually I downloaded, so it will not come. You can just click it install. So that's it. Okay, now it has been installed. And if you want to delete it, because it's an if you can delete the installer. Okay, that's your choice. You can uninstall the installer. Okay guys, so I can show the gameplay also. It is actually real. I have showed in you the first starting. Everything is unlocked. Every planes. I will also drive the planes. Wait, it is loading. It is loading. It will take some time, I think so. As you can see, we are in the game. We can drive boats in this game. Very awesome game. It is actually 302 MB or something. As you can see the gameplay. So as you can see, I have so many money, currency. Something like that. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. This car is actually awesome. It is actually 500 INR. It is 500 and I get it in free. Very easy and simple download. Wait, I'm going to show you that vehicles are unlocked. I don't know the way actually. I am lost. Oh yes, I can see the city. I can see the city over there, right there. I don't know you guys have seen, but I have seen that city. Oh my goodness. Oh god. Very awkward. Actually, it is a nice game. Only 300 MB. I think it game is not for low end devices. But, oh yes. That's it right there. Oh my goodness. Okay. I have repaired my car. Let's get points. Let's go to that city and I'm going to show that the planes also unlocked. As you can see, the helicopter and IQs are unlocked. I will show it also, but I'm going to show the plane first. Plane, plane. I think the plane I'm lost. So it's been so. So guys, I have lost the plane. I don't know where it is. So I can show that the helicopter. As you can see right there. I don't need to give any of my money. See? See? Everything is unlocked. Moondroid is the best website for every games, apps. As you can see, let's find that plane also. Okay, now let's go to I think so that's right here. We can drive jet skis also. Okay, now let's land this helicopter. Oh my goodness, I'm out of it. Oh yes. Oh sorry. Oh my goodness, bouncy helicopter lolly. Okay, now I'm going to show that you can also drive anything in this game. You also know. Now let's get into this yacht. Oh yeah, let's drive it. As you can see, everything is unlocked. So, as you can see, there's a big ship also, but that is very slow, I think. But I'm going to show you, it's very slow. But it's big because of it is big. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I came into the land. We will never drive. Sorry. Okay, now let's to go. Now I can show how this yacht also drive. Very big yacht, very big boat or ship. I don't know what it's called. I call it yacht. Just please forgive me. I don't know how to call this. I say yacht or ship because I don't know. It is yacht, I think so. Okay, now let's get into this big boat. Okay. Very slow, actually. Okay, this is very slow. Hey, okay, now let's get out of this yacht. Where do I go? Yes. Jump right here. Oh, yes. Okay, now let's. Oh my goodness. My rate is very low. Go. Yes, just missed. I think yes, I can see the plane. I can see the plane very fast. Go. As you can see, plane is in front of us. There's volcano. Very nice game. I'm just proving that this game is I can play it also. It's not actually fake. Other gamers just show it and they in the video, but I'm showing the gameplay also. It is real. Moondroid is safe also for your website. The website is very safe. As you can see, I am driving the plane. Oh my goodness, I'm going down. Oh yes. So thank you guys for watching. So please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.